Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really juicy. So I'm going to show you different ways that you can rock and style your natural hair. So if you have a 4C hair or even if you have any other hair type, you can definitely achieve these looks. But before I get into this video, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Like, if you go through my videos, you can tell that I'm giving you guys really awesome juicy videos that you cannot resist. So you can show support to my channel by subscribing to my channel and liking this videos, commenting in the comment section below. Please don't forget to click the notification bell next to the subscribe button. That way you do not miss any of the videos that I post and you'll be the first person to be notified whenever I post a new video. So if you're interested in learning different ways that you can rock and style your natural hair, then stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. Get straight into it. This is style number 1. Rock your hair in an afro. Go ahead and fluff that hair out and bam, honey, you are set. So for style number 2, you're gonna need some elastic band or scrunchie. I'm pretty sure every natural hair girl has some sort of elastic band that they can use to put their hair. To be honest with you, when everything else fails with my natural hair, this next hairstyle is my go-to. Like, every other style can fail, but this style right here is not going to fail. So let's go ahead and get into it. Take these earrings off because, honey, I don't want to hurt myself. So go ahead and put this band on your neck just like that, and then twist it again. Please do not hurt yourself while doing this. Do it again. Make sure you're not hurting yourself. And you are set. This style is like a go-to style. Like, honey, you can never go wrong. Never, ever. I promise you, this hairstyle, you can never go wrong with it. For my next hairstyle, and I'm gonna pull my hair all the way back. Okay, so the next thing to do is to go ahead and use, this is Marley hair, and I got this one from samsbeauty.com. It's an online store, and they have really amazing deals, so you guys check it out. So for this next hairstyle, go ahead and part like so and secure with an elastic band. So honestly, you can style your hair like this. This can be another style if you like. This can be one style if you like. Go ahead and throw on some earrings and go ahead and lay your edges if you like. So this can be a style on its own. Fluff your hair or fluff your puff. But if you choose to elevate this style to give it a little bit extra edge, you can add a Marley hair to it. So we're gonna do the same thing for this side. I'm gonna have a puff. Twist it. You can actually just do a flat twist. So guys, that concludes the tutorial for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do not exit without subscribing to my channel. Hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell right next to the subscribe button just so you are notified every single time that I upload a video. And if you enjoyed this video, also give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family or anyone you think might be interested in this kind of videos. I will see you guys in my next one. And just so you know, I have a whole lot more stuff planned out for you guys. So stay tuned, enjoy, subscribe, join the family, and let's lift each other up in love and in light. See you. Bye.